Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to submit when you're in your Wonders program.
To do.
Go to your To Do button. For the one for today, Wednesday 9/9, you were to click this page and complete both of these. When you're done, if you go, it just should save your information here, I believe. I don't see a save. So when you're done, click Leave and scroll down a little bit till you see the Submit button. And it will say your assignment has been submitted. Now he has a green check mark, which means that task is done. So any with green check marks have already been submitted. The problem is some of them you have to complete, X out of it, and then hit the submit button in your binder in order to get that green check and for your teacher to know you've completed it.